How to reset Roku TV. So, in order to reset Roku TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Scroll and select settings. Step 3. Select system. Step 4. Select advanced system settings. Step 5. Select factory reset. Step 6. If you have a Roku TV, select factory reset everything. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset if your Roku device is unresponsive. Step 1. Locate the physical reset button on the back or bottom of the device. Step 2. Press and hold the button firmly for about 10 seconds while the device is powered on. Step 3. Wait until the indicator light blinks rapidly to confirm the reset. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.